what's the name of that street? Highview, or Ocean View.
Oh yeah, I've been there. Is that railroad out in the yard?
Yeah.
Is this it?
No.
Oh.
No, this is Chicago.
I've been there only one time. Do you go there, or they don't have it anymore?
No, this. Yeah, well, because of COVID, they haven't been having it.
Do you usually go to that, or?
I've been there once.
I've been there once with your dad.
Is that right? Yeah.
I saw your dad there once. I was there with your dad once.
Oh yeah, I was there once. I took some pictures.
Pretty good. Pretty good, Leonard.
Yeah.
All right.
Midwest Video Productions presents the second program for 1997 Belt Railway Company of Chicago
let me put the stuff away here.
This is a day
Roger,
with BRC
Leonard.
number 525. On June 19,
Are you going to get us something to eat?
EMD SW12
Are you going to let me eat with you or no?
is working on the Belt 759 AM job. This job works the East Yards, the industry to the north of the belt, and the Rockwell Street Yard. In addition, it switches the large Nabisco cookie plant immediately north of the west end of Rockwell Street Yard. The job is nicknamed the Cookie Job. It's got a three-man crew, an engineer, a conductor, and a helper who watches in the switching. First, the Cookie Job will work its way through the east receiving yard and use the Ys on the north-south main lines to turn the engine. Then it will make its way back to the east classification yard to get some cars. Next, 525 will switch cars in east receiving. From there, it will use the main to work the chemical industry belt. Then it moves to east receiving to switch more cars.
You got more zip
Finally, it
ties.
moves out the east end on the main to do its major work in Rockwell Street Yard and the Nabisco cookie plant. We will have a separate camera on board and one on the ground to follow the action.
Whoa. Belt Railway Company, Chicago.
I've got some cold chicken if you want that.
Is it still good?
Yeah.
I would like anything that you do, Leonard. I like anything that you do.
Okay. I'm gonna have a can of beans.
I like whatever you do, Leonard. I like whatever you do, my friend
Before we look at
Leonard.
a day of 525's work, let's look at this EMD SW1200. This engine has a 1200 horsepower, 12-cylinder, 567C
I
primary.
like whatever you do, Leonard.
525 was put in
Oh,
service
thank
in
you, Leonard.
1963.
Wow.
Belt Hustler Bob Manypenny, show us the cab, number 525.
We're going to show how it brakes. There's two brakes here. We have an independent brake when the engine is running without cars. The operator releases. When the engine's running with cars, this is the automatic or train line brake. All the cars have air in them, and they have their own brakes, so they're all connected. And the engine, this independent is not powerful enough to stop, so they use this automatic, and it sets the brake on all the cars. This engine has 8 different speeds. The reverser has to be in. You have to put it into operating mode, and you can hear the different speeds. 1, 2, 3,
In that video
Before we move this, you have to
3,
put the generator field in, or the engine will not move.
Saturday, I'm at Leonard's house, Saturday, May 5th, May 1st, 2021.
This is the reverser.